want to show you two ways to do conditional formatting. This is the standard one where if you put in a certain score, then it changes color. And you can see here in the conditioning formatting rules that it is between certain numbers, and I can pick then the color. So to do that from scratch is I highlight a range, go to Format, Conditional Formatting, then I pick, in this case, is between, and I pick which numbers I want, and then pick a specific color. And then keep adding more rules. The other way I like to use conditional formatting is here with a color scale. So I have a group of students who then assign themselves to groups, and then they put themselves in the group. Here I have an equation that counts, so I know how many are in each group. And then a cool feature of sorting is I want to see who's in each group. I select starting in column B, go to Data, Sort Range, A to Z, and now I can see everyone who's in each group at one time.